A new present. What is it?
Jungle Book part.
And the village.
And the Man Village. Yeah. You want to see Jungle Book part 2? Do you want to see what happens to the snakes in it? And do you want to see what happens to Mowgli? Remember when Mowgli goes to the Man Village? Do you want to see what happens? Hello. Okay, I'm gonna put it on. I say it's 3. Here.
Kaden, are you ready for Jungle Book 2? With Shere Khan.
Shere Khan is in it.
And what does Kaa sing?
Trust in me.
Trust in me.
Trust in me. I think the vultures are in it. Be a friend. Jungle Book part 2. You filming this?
Yep.
Hi.
That's right.
What's the panther's name?
Here it comes. And Bagheera.
Bagheera. Who's the panther? That's right. Look, guys. Look.
Who's that?
Monkeys. Where's Baloo? He's coming.
But not fast enough. Okay, Jungle Book 2. Let's go.